Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today I'm talking about germinating fall crops in the garden. This will be a fairly short video, but you can see here some row cover, and underneath this row cover I have, if I remember correctly, carrots, kohlrabi, and beets, and I planted this about a week ago. Now the sun this time of the year, the garden's really mature. The sun this time of the year is still very strong, and you can see it's the summer garden. There's some overgrown zucchini, and we've got some Swiss chard here and some more zucchini, which I planted too much of. But right here we had some potatoes, and we've harvested them, and I want to use this space. So in mid-August I planted those seedlings, and the reason why I do this is it keeps the moisture in. So I'm going to just remove this, get rid of it. And I want to show you how well things have germinated. So here's the beets. You can see the beets here. I planted those, let's see, 8/12. Yeah, so it's exactly a week ago. And in 1 week, this has started to germinate. Now the kohlrabi, we've got some germination here. Perhaps the seed packet's not as good, but you know, there's a seed there. And what I'm really excited about are the carrots, because carrots are really hard to germinate, and I have a heavy germination of carrots in here. You can see there, just a lot of them germinating. So I'm taking that off just so that they can get the light now, and the soil's fairly wet. So pretty exciting, and it's a great way to get things to germinate this time of the year when it's still warm. And if you go into a dry pattern and you need to water, this is a great way to do that so that you get the germination. And I'll be harvesting the carrots here probably early October. Same thing with the kohlrabi and the beets. So this is kind of a fall stretch of garden here. Absolutely planting in August to get things ready for the fall. All right, so there you have it. This is a video that's fairly short, but you gotta keep those seeds evenly moist in order to get them to germinate. I love using the row cover. It's an easy way to protect those seeds from that still strong August sunlight. It keeps the moisture in, and the seeds, as you just saw, have germinated pretty nicely. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.